Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to restore TikTok streak. If you want to restore a TikTok streak, first go to the person whose streak you want to recover. Keep in mind, there's only a limited window to this, usually about a day after your streak breaks, so don't wait too long. If you're within the time, you should see a restore button right in the chat. Tap it, and you'll get a quick look at how many restores you have left for the month. Hit the big red restore button and your streak will jump back to what it was before it broke. One tip, you can only restore once per broken streak, so make sure you're restoring the right one. Also, your restore count resets every month, so plan ahead and use them wisely. That's it. Easy, quick, and now your streaks are safe again. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.